Greetings, adventurers. We are here at Holthe Prairie Scientific Natural Area. It's a beautiful morning. It's about 70 degrees, partly cloudy. Gorgeous day for a hike. Let's go. I was kind of iffy about this place because it's way off the beaten path, and obviously very seldom traveled, but there's no trail. I have wandered into animal trails, so this is going to be interesting, trying to find my way through these. I don't know that I'm going to go much further. There is no trail here. I am just bushwhacking through the weeds and the bushes. Found a nice little spot here with some lower grass and a little bit of an overlook. Check this out. Pretty awesome. But there is no trail. The bushes down there are about shoulder height. And there's a creek running through the middle. I wanted to get to the top of that hill over there. That's where the trail's supposed to go. But I really don't want to bushwhack through shoulder height bushes and have to cross a stream. Oh. Beautiful area though. Nice prairie, nice gentle rolling hills. Beautiful. Made it back to the road, or the whatever you call it, the main entrance to this scientific nature area. Beautiful place. I wish I had more time. I actually have to get going at a certain time today, so I don't really have time to be bushwhacking and exploring like I want to. I had a 2-mile trail picked out, but the trail doesn't exist. I had enough time to do a trail that exists. Alright, some grouse. Lots of grouse. Okay, so now I'm closer to the car. And it does look like there is a little bit of a trail here, but it looks like it hasn't been traveled in a couple of years. So it's probably, I can tell it's a trail here, but 100 yards out it's gone. Oh, well, that's kind of a bummer. I was hoping for more of a video than this, but maybe I'll just have to make this a bonus video. Holthe Prairie Scientific Nature Area. Beautiful place. Don't expect there to be any trails. If you want to come explore some prairie with no trails, this is the place. Beautiful, beautiful place. Lots of nice, gentle rolling hills you can get up on top of and see nice views. But unfortunately, I couldn't find the trail. But I appreciate you guys joining me anyway. And I'll see you on Monday, right here at Happy Trail Backpacking. I also forgot to mention that the road getting into this place is not the best. So here's the road, and you can tell it's just a grass thing. There's quite a bit of big potholes and stuff. The rivets are pretty deep on one side for part of it. So, and it's about 1.2 miles from the main road. So, just be warned.